What's going on, winners? My name is Joey Winning from Winning Tint, and today we're going to be tinting a 2024 Porsche Macan. This SUV is a little shy of $80,000 and has 468 horsepower. We're going to be installing 20% nano ceramic to the two front windows, which will block out the sun and heat by over 90%. We'll also be doing a brief history of the brand itself. Now, if you want to skip to a specific part of this video, feel free to hit one of the timestamps in the description below. Now let's take a closer look as the winning team preps this Macan for installation. Aside from its stunning appearance on the exterior, the interior is very comfortable with red seats in the front and back. It also has an elegant infotainment system and a sporty steering wheel, reminding the driver that this is a Porsche. Here at Winning Tints, we are huge fans of Porsche and have been servicing our customers' Porsches for over 20 years. But where did Porsche come from? First of all, Porsche made one of the first electric vehicles in 1898 and utilized LED batteries to power an electric motor to move the wheels directionally. They called this model the Porsche P1, and it had 49 miles of range and a top speed of 21 miles per hour, all while partnered with Jakob Lohner, who stopped producing horse carriages to put more focus on motor vehicles. Later, they paired a combustible engine to power the electric motor, making the first hybrid vehicle ever. They called this model the Lohner Porsche Electromobile. It broke a bunch of speed records with a top speed of 36 miles per hour. Unfortunately, Porsche was cool with Hitler, like really cool, during World War II, and they developed a bunch of things for the Nazis to win the war, like the M17 Goliath. When the war ended, France put Porsche in prison where he would become terminally ill. At this point in time, he decided to hand the company over to his son, Ferry Porsche, where he would develop the Porsche 356. It had limited success until the development of the Porsche 911 in 1963, where the company would forever change for the better. Did you know that before Porsche had named the 911, it was actually called the Porsche 901, being that the French car manufacturer Peugeot had a patent on a 3-digit design with a 0 in the middle, like the 404 and the 403 before that. Porsche was forced to change it, and they decided to go with 911. Now let's watch the winning team finish up with the 2024 Porsche Macan. This Macan is looking better than when it first came in, and our customer was 100% satisfied with the end results. Now, if you enjoyed what we did today, don't forget to check out our list of services, including chrome deletion, full car wraps, partial car wraps, nano ceramic tint, paint protection, film installation, custom vinyl, ceramic coating, color tint, and mind you, all of this is available with financing options to better serve our customers, from the New Jersey tri-state area all the way to Los Angeles, California. As always, my name is Joey Winning. Thank you for watching, and remember to always stay winning!